Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally for accounting. First, launch the Tally software and select Create Company from the main menu. Input essential details like your company name, address, and statutory information. Carefully choose your financial year start and end dates. This initial setup is crucial for accurate record keeping throughout your business operations. Ensure all details are correct before proceeding to the next steps. Once your company is set up, the next step is recording daily transactions. Navigate to vouchers and select the appropriate type, such as sales or purchase. Input all relevant details including item quantities, rates, and party information. Tally automatically updates ledgers and inventory. Remember to save each voucher after entry. Consistent daily entry ensures your financial records are always up to date and reliable for reporting. Tally excels at inventory management. Create stock items with units of measure and opening balances. As you record purchases and sales, Tally automatically adjusts stock levels. For reporting, access the display menu to find options like the balance sheet and profit and loss statement. These reports provide a clear financial snapshot, helping you make informed business decisions. You can also customize reports to focus on specific periods or accounts, gaining valuable insights. Beyond basic accounting, Tally offers advanced features such as payroll processing, goods and services tax compliance, and budgeting tools. Explore these to streamline more aspects of your business. Always ensure robust security measures are in place to protect sensitive financial information. Make it a habit to back up your Tally data daily or weekly. This safeguards your records against unforeseen issues, ensuring business continuity and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.